Let's take a look at how you can make your designs stronger and to known failure methods. Let's take a look at why you need SOLIDWORKS simulation. SOLIDWORKS simulation is a validation tool that allows you to solve for standard failure modes. How do you know that your design will not break, buckle, or bend under certain applied forces, pressures, or loads? How do you know if the structure will survive a vibration due to resonance? What about thermal responses to temperature inputs or heat fluxes? Simulation not only is powerful because it's built inside SOLIDWORKS, it also puts very detailed information right at your fingertips. So I got this cool toddler musical toy for my daughter, and I quickly modeled it inside SOLIDWORKS, and I want to test it for a few common failure modes. For our toy, we want to check our design from a static load. We'll describe a known force. We'll add some mesh refinement for accurate results. It's just that easy. We do the mesh, boundary conditions, and context, and SOLIDWORKS simulation gets us results, and fast. Generating reports is super easy. Creation of a Microsoft Word report takes just moments. Just think what that does to document your analysis to your customers and vendors. Let's look further into validating this toy and get it ready for production. Now that we have some results from a static condition, what about other failure modes? It can be dropped, heated, and maybe even bit. Setting up the more advanced analysis is just like our static study. First, drop test. We set an initial height or velocity, floor conditions, and we can see the response from the drop. With thermal, we'll describe heat in watts, allow it to heat up over 5 minutes, and we could see areas that maybe we need to change the material or thickness so little kids don't get burned. The biting analysis we're going to tackle with a nonlinear study. Here, we isolate the small region that receives the high force, apply a unique material model, and now we know that this outer shell can withstand the biting force of a toddler. So that's it. The toy has gone through the virtual ringer of SOLIDWORKS simulation testing. As you saw for this plastic toy, simulation greatly enhances your ability to quickly validate your design. Validation is great not just for consumer products, like we saw here, but the applications truly are endless. Sheet metal and structural design, industrial equipment, jig and fixture design are some of the obvious industries that can truly benefit from SOLIDWORKS simulation. Be sure to check out my other videos with SOLIDWORKS plastics and flow simulation. Do you have questions? Drop me a line and let me know.